Now let's learn how to hide applications. I think this is very important tip for you. Let's learn how to hide applications. Let's try to hide this notes application. You can see the application is in here. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to home screen option. Scroll down this page and click on this hide apps on home and apps screen option. In here you can see your all applications. You can select any application you want to hide. Now I select notes application and click on done button. Now let's check our application available or not. You can see our notes application is going to hidden. I am going to search here notes. It's not available. It's hidden. Let's learn how to again restore this application. Go to your mobile settings and again click on hide apps on home screen apps option. You can remove this application and click on done button. Now let's check our application on our home screen. It's appear on our home screen like this. In this method you can hide or unhide any application on your mobile.